All right, so here we're given the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 10. So which values of x correspond to horizontal tangent lines? And then for which values of x is f of x increasing or decreasing? And then sketch a graph of f and add any horizontal tangent lines. All right, so first off, let's do A. So the derivative of that. So f prime of x is equal to what? Well, that's going to be a 2x minus 6, okay? Now, find any values x corresponding to horizontal tangent lines. Well, if we set that equal to 0 and solve for x, we get that. So that's going to be, we're going to have a horizontal tangent line at x is equal to 3. Okay, so that we know means it's going to be either a low point or a high point. And again, it depends on our value here. All right, so now the B, we're going to be using our kind of our plus and minus sign graph here. All right, so we know that x is equal to 3 is going to be kind of our turning point. And so we need to kind of look at a point over here. Let's say maybe we choose 0. Maybe over here we choose 4. They're really not that same distance apart, but that's okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find out if what is f prime of x when it's 0. Well, if that's 0 for that, it's going to be negative. So we're going to plug in 0, we get y equals a negative 6. So we're going to get a negative over here. If we plugged in 2, we get 4 minus 6, so that's going to be minus 2. So all the way up to here, all those are going to be minus over here. Now, what if we plugged in 4 here? Well, that's going to be 8 minus 6, so that's going to be 2, so y is equal to 2. So that's going to be a plus, and basically on this side, we're going to have pluses, okay? So that means we're decreasing here, and we're increasing here. And this is really kind of our, our what our f of x is doing at that point in time. And so this is going from what? Well, negative infinity up to 3, and this is going from 3 up to infinity. Okay, so C, we're supposed to get a sketch what this is saying. So we plug in this into here. We know x equals 3, so again, that's going to be 3. It's decreasing from negative infinity to 3, and then it's getting bigger after that. And so let's say here is going to be our point. And so it's going to be increasing after that and decreasing on that side. So we're decreasing over here, we're increasing over here for our slopes, which is what this is showing. And so that's kind of what our graph is going to look like. And again, what does it really look like? Well, you could plug it really into a calculator and figure out what does x squared minus 6x plus 10 look like and get you that. But it's going to look something like that. And again, our low point is going to be here at the negative 3. All right, and it's supposed to add horizontal tangent line. Well, that was there. And again, if we make our dot bigger, then we're actually touching. So that's what we have. So, again, f of x is increasing from 3 up to infinity, and f of x is decreasing from negative infinity up to 3. So those are all the values we're doing and looking for, I think, in this problem. All right, let's stop there. We'll come back with another question.